Okay, so here I am on Quizlet.com and these are my flashcards, and I'll take you through what they should look like. So the students have created a flashcard set, and here is the Quizlet here. Quizlet.com, and here we have here is a list. So there is a whole list, and the students are supposed to have the word with the part of speech, in this case it's a noun, the definition, which should be short definition. I have already given them the definition, but if you see something very long and very complicated, then it's not right. And then a picture. Now, not all will have pictures because just all don't fit with pictures, so that's okay as long as 3/4 of the words have pictures. So that's the things you're looking for. 4 things. One, that they have the word and it's spelled correctly, and they have the part of speech, this beside it. It's a noun, it's an adjective, it's a verb, or it's an adverb. So most of them, or it's a phrase, so most of them will be nouns and verbs and adverbs. Then the definition, which is going to be a short, simple kind of definition. Some of them will have example sentences, that's okay. You'll know it's very difficult because they just copy paste from the internet, and it's usually very high level academic language. If you find and you're not sure of it, just message me and I'll check it out. And the last thing then that they have is this picture. I'll take one here. Now this one I actually don't have, it's my fault. I don't have the noun, purpose. Okay, and then there's a picture here. So picture, definition, and word and part of speech, which again, this one is verb. Right. But they will have this because I told them to. Okay, so it should look something like this. And they have a total of, for the writing, it's 21 words, I think. It'll vary probably between 18 and 20. Some students have 25, so that's good. Really. Yeah, I have a lot there, obviously. So let's go and have a look at them. They're in my email. So we'll take this very first one. This is probably a good one because this is quite a good student. And so I'll look at hers. Right, the student should send me the link. If you don't have their name, then obviously you can't recreate it because you don't know who they are. So this one, if you just copy link, and copy the link, and then so you see she's got word, part of speech. Okay, here, section, this one's right. Encourage, yeah, quality, yes, this is a simple definition how good something is. For example, just put an example, chess is made from good quality material. Customer, this is wrong, it should be consumer, this one should be consumer. It's customer and then custom. If you miss that, it's okay, I don't mind. So she's picture of a customer, product, word, part of speech, definition, picture, word, part of speech, definition, picture, word, part of speech, definition, picture. So once they have all 4, they get full points for that. So if I were you, I would make the name and then put, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for everything, and maybe make a note of how many they haven't got the part of speech. Like she's missed the part of speech here.
Character.
But, oops, so, I mean, it depends. I know I make exceptions as well if it's only 1, So that's another way you might do it. You might just scroll down, right? Here. And you can see she hasn't got these parts of speech. So you could just tell her, these are the words you're missing part of speech. And I would give this student 100. She's pretty good. She's only missed a few parts of speech. Okay, Okay, so most of them you're going to be given 100. I'll also add up how many she's got. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24, 25 would be the expected number. So in the feedback, you can just say how many are missing part of speech, or don't worry about the pictures. I think mostly they'll have the pictures. The only case is if they have no pictures at all, then they would lose points, and that one you can send to me. Most of them are going to be okay, and most of them will be 100. But you could make comments like 4 words are missing parts of speech. That will be everything for this student. Okay. Now, where you're going to put that, I will now show you. So, if you only do the CALM course, please, first. So, we'll go to CALM and go to the Grade Center. And then I have made the column already. So her name is Samar. Okay, so I'm going to put in 100. When you put in, you have to put in the grade first, and then quick comment. Hi, Samar. Oh, put the good comment first. Something like great. Just 4 words missing part of speech. This really mainly is to show them that I'm watching, and that's why I think it's important to put in just the error. And she's done good work, and I think the rest of it is fine. Sometimes, yeah, it's fine. So I'll submit that. Okay, I'll take another one for you. So go for the CALM ones first. So these first ones are CALM. Unfortunately, there's a lot in here, and you might have trouble finding which are CALM and which are writing. So maybe if you have a copy of their names, that would help. So here we have quite a few here. And they didn't follow what I told them, which is they're supposed to copy the link and send the email. What they did was they just clicked copy link and did the automatic email. So it's harder to know, but we only have one Hanan, so that's not too bad. And you just click study this set. Okay, so let's look at Hanan's. Yeah, piece of. She has got no part of speech here. Okay. So when she's missed all of the parts of speech, I would take off a quarter of the points for that. So in her case, that would be 75. That's too little. So let's say they get 30. Yes. So for each one, they'd miss 20 points if they've missed all of it completely. So I would give her 80 in that case. But the rest of it's fine. She's got all the definitions and she's got all the pictures. And this is my CALM class. So Hanan is in there, but unfortunately I've got a lot of names the same as common writing. So, but essentially the CALM class is first. So, you know, it should be the earliest emails which you go to first. There she is, Hanan Al-Zahrani. I actually had to give a Z in that one. So I come here, I give 80 points, and then I'll enter hi Hanan, well done, just missing parts of speech for all the words. I forgot to count how many she did actually, so I'll look at that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So she's good as well. I think any less than 20, and we have to remove points for that. So if they have like only 15 to 20 words, say move 10 points for that. Okay, so I'm back to the grade center. I'll put that in. Okay. So email. Again, let's go back to this focused emails, and these ones at the top are all my writing class. So you have to do it for writing and for COM. So COM is Hala as well, so you could probably start there. I hope this is clear. So what I'm going to say, I think in the end, is if they miss all the parts of speech, then that will be 20 points lost, and that's the one they're going to miss. The definitions they will get, so they can have that. The pictures, maybe an odd girl will miss all the pictures, or maybe only puts in half of them, then that would be 20 points. The words, if they are like 15 to 20 words only, then let's go for 20 points, just to keep it clear. That would be 20 points lost as well. And I think that's it. So, yeah. You'll see, hopefully, who's in my COM and who's in my writing class as well.